Hey there guys, and welcome to another video of the Curious Explorer. Today I am at Kelly Park at Rock Springs in Apopka, Florida, and I'm going to be showing you a tour of the entire park. This is my second time coming here, and the first time I came here I only did the lazy river and I had a lot of fun. So this time I plan to have all that fun and a lot more.
As you get into the park, you see a large picnic area. It has benches and grills right next to them if you need them. Here I am inflating tubes for the lazy river later on today. The trick for getting in is to come here really early because it's really hard to get in because the park is so popular, people start getting in really early. To get to the entry point of the lazy river, you have to follow a beautiful shaded path. The lazy river is actually the Rock Springs run. Rock Springs is actually all the way in the back, as you can see. The entry is very picturesque. Getting into the water is also very easy. Just put your tube down, get in, and go. The lazy river starts off in a really shady area and then opens up into a slightly more open area.
Soon you'll hit your first rapids. It's really fun to slice through the water at a lot faster speed than you've been going up till now. You do hit a few rocks here and there, but it's still really fun. Since it's really hot here in Florida, especially in the summer, the water feels very nice and refreshing because it stays a cool 72 degrees year-round. The whole run, from the beginning to the end, is very, very scenic. You can walk down the run, but make sure to have water shoes because the ground is really rocky and you don't want to hurt your feet. Last time I came here, I swam through it and I still had a lot of fun. I'll put the link for that video in the description below.
About halfway through, you'll see a bridge. On the other side, there is the swimming area.
The lazy river continues on after the swimming area, but you can always hang out here in the swimming area and enjoy yourself.
The run after that is pretty shady. And as a bonus, there's no rocks.
At the end of the lazy river, the run continues under a bridge. See the boaters on the other side? They come from King's Landing. I made a video for that, and I'll put the link in the description below. The bridge itself leads to a short 5-minute path back to the swimming area.
The trail to go back takes you through a shady area and then over the bridge that's in front of the swimming area. If you get hungry here at Kelly Park, there is a concession area that sells food and drinks. In the picnic area, there's also play areas for all ages. And if you want to camp here, there's also a campground called Camp Joy.
Overall, Kelly Park is a hidden gem and a perfect all-around vacation spot for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And together, let's continue to explore.